Okay, Dr. Tannenbaum, my favorite chiropractor from Plantation. Tell me about frozen shoulder, how you treat it a little differently than the rest of us.
First of all, most of the time people are told with frozen shoulder that they either have a rotator cuff tear or they have serious inflammation in the joint. The fact of the matter is most people who have frozen shoulders have a problem with the muscle. It could be a deltoid muscle, it could be supraspinatus, infraspinatus, or one of the rotator cuff muscles. The fact of the matter is 50% of Major League Baseball pitchers have rotator cuff tears, they still pitch. So many people who have rotator cuff tears or have inflammation in their shoulders are still leading active lives, and some of them, or most of them, are pain-free. So what you have to do is you have to stop the fear of having a shoulder that doesn't work, and what you need to do, the most important thing is to stretch. And we show you in our office how to do the stretches, and before you know it, you're not going to any doctors anymore, and you're feeling fine with full range of motion.
Right. Now, I just had a patient, and she had a rotator cuff tear. I diagnosed it as a mild to moderate tear. She's treated with us, believe it or not, 5 times over 5 months. She was pretty much all better. And then the last time she came in, she had a flare-up. And she was leaving for New York the next day. I just got an email from her. She wants to know if to go for surgery or not. And I basically told her exactly what you just said. I said, look, you responded good in the past. You can respond again. But they did an MRI. It showed a moderate tear. At what point does it become surgical?
Most of the time, the rotator cuff tears are not surgical candidates. There's a 50-50 chance that you'll be the same or worse after the surgery. Most of the studies show, and it's not my opinion, that most rotator cuff tears can be healed with proper nutrition, stretching, and relaxation techniques, because a lot of it's stress, a lot of it's fear that is instilled upon you by doctors telling you that it's a serious problem, and it really isn't.
I totally agree with you.